Hey guys, hope you all are doing okay at home. Today we are going to make Lontong, which is what you find in hawker center. It's a Malay Indonesian dish made out of Sayur Lodeh and rice cake. Okay, so you can buy this rice cake in supermarket. Okay, boil them for an hour, and then you get it in this form, right? Just like the ketupat that comes with the satay. So I bought ready-made paste, but it just doesn't taste like outside. So make our own paste on a powerful blender. The only thing that is missing is fried coconut, which I find very troublesome to do, so I'm leaving it out. Spicy level, you adjust it accordingly, and let's get going.